You're welcome.
You all may be seated. Okay, Mrs. Harper, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, basically, I am leaving Mr. Harper because I have reason to believe that he's been involved with other women, and we have 2 children. We've only been married 2 years, and I'm devastated.
All right, guys, buckle up. This case is about to cut deep. We've got a young mother, 2 babies barely out of diapers, accusing her husband of late-night pool service. That looks more like pleasure than business. Money, betrayal, lifestyle, and custody are all on the table. By the end of this trial, one of them walks away with everything, the other with nothing. Whose side are you on already?
All right. How old are your children?
They are 2 and 6 months.
Oh, you have little babies.
We do.
Okay.
We do.
All right. So you said you have reason to believe. What do you mean by that?
And right here, Mrs. Harper drops the bomb. She's not just upset. She claims she knows her husband's been crossing the line. Notice how she doesn't mince words. This isn't suspicion, it's conviction. Question is this heartbreak talking or hard evidence?
They're laying out, why does he need to be over there? He's saying that he's just servicing. I don't know what he's servicing.
Servicing the pool after hours?
That's a good question. So, yeah, I mean, I looked at his phone one day.
This is the first glimpse of the other women. Bikini-clad clients texting her husband late at night. Guys, pause. What business owner checks pool filters after hours? Either he's customer-obsessed or something seriously shady. Would you buy his excuse?
Well, basically, I just can't bring my children up in this kind of situation. And I basically want to leave with the children. And, you know, he makes a lot of money. Our business makes a lot of money. But when I leave, I'm not going to have that. So I need to keep the lifestyle that my...
Here's where money takes center stage. She's not just asking to leave. She wants to maintain everything. The nanny private school, $500,000 house. Now we're in spousal support territory, and judges don't play around with lifestyle demands. Too much or totally fair.
It's about $1,800 a month.
$1,800. What kind of private school is it?
It's a good private school.
Oh my gosh. They teaching the baby how to drive?
Well, the baby's not there yet, but he will
Well,
be.
the 2-year-old, right?
Well,
that's still a baby for $1,800.
It's a tuitional. I mean, you grow with the school, so.
Does the tuition payment grow too?
No.
Oh, okay. So it stays at $1,800.
Yeah.
Okay.
When the tuition drops, $1, $800 a month, you can feel the courtroom gasp. That's not pocket change. That's a car note. The judge's sarcasm here. Teaching the baby how to drive says it all. Is this education or extravagance?
Basically, I would like to buy one.
Okay.
So that we can maintain the same lifestyle that we've had.
Okay. If you were to buy a home, the homes that you were looking at, what are you looking at on mortgage?
About $3,000 a month.
Okay.
But again, I mean, I would think he would need to pay the majority of that.
Okay. So you want him to buy you a home?
This is bold. Mrs. Harper wants him to buy her a new house. Not rent, not compromise, straight up ownership in the same neighborhood. This isn't just divorce. It's financial warfare. But does spousal support really mean buying someone a new dream home?
Excuses about these women, that's all I can say.
Oh, okay. All right. Mr. Harper?
Well, there's no excuses about any of the women. I had developed this business long before we got married.
Okay.
And we've been married a couple of years. And I've worked hard to get this business to where it is. I've got a great staff. I've got a great team of crews out there working. And one of the things that I do is I go out and I make sure the work's quality work so I can put my name on it.
Now it's Mr. Harper's turn. And notice his defense. Hard work, reputation, referrals. He's framing himself as a businessman who built this empire long before her. But is he defending his business or dodging his marriage?
They tell me whatever they want to tell me. It has nothing to do with.
So you go join them while they're laying out?
Well, I mean, if they're out by their pool, they're out by the pool. That has nothing to do with my business.
Do you join them in the pool?
No.
Okay.
I saw a picture. One of those texts had a picture of you in the pool.
I don't.
What were you doing in the pool? You were checking the depth?
I don't remember being ever.
Caught red-handed. Or is he? A photo of him inside a client's pool. He denies it, brushes it off as imagination. This is a tension point. One side paint infidelity, the other says fantasy. Who's lying here, the husband or the wife's imagination?
In this pool business.
Well, I've been averaging about 280 a year.
But
so
it could be higher?
It could be.
Or it could be lower?
It depends on the market.
Okay.
He's not even being truthful about that. He makes over 300.
He makes over 300? Okay. Is that true, Mr. Harper?
No, that's not true.
So where did she get that from?
Well, I mean, it's her lifestyle. I mean, she likes going out and with her girlfriends and having her lunches and having her, her spa days and
Therapy sessions.
Big reveal. The husband claims $280,000 a year, but she fires back. He makes over $300,000. That gap might not seem huge, but in divorce court, every dollar counts. Is she exaggerating to trap him, or is he hiding income to escape higher payments?
I mean, she doesn't, she pretty much hands everything off to the nanny and requires the nanny to take care of all that. She's got a pretty cozy lifestyle. We've got a nice house. I'd like to keep I'd like to keep the kids, with me.
No.
And make sure they're taken care of because she's too busy taking care of herself.
All right. But your work schedule, would that permit you to have the children on a
it would
full-time
be
basis?
difficult, but I would see it made sure it happened.
So wouldn't it be in the best interest of the children for them to just stay with mom like they've always been doing?
Well, if mom would stay.
Watch this shift. The husband flips the script, saying she's a spoiled one, living off spa days and nanny care. Classic courtroom move. If you can't clear your name, attack your partner's credibility. But is this genuine truth or strategic deflection?
This is what I am going to do. I definitely think that your wife has grounds. She's eligible to receive some sort of spousal maintenance, especially if she no longer wishes to remain in the home with you. Had she wished to remain in the home, this would probably be a different type of situation. She may still be entitled to some.
And here it is. The judge cuts through the noise. She rules that the wife does have grounds for support. But key word, temporary. It's not a golden ticket. It's a bridge until she can work. Question for you. Should spousal support be a lifeline or a lifestyle guarantee?
That he stops paying you spousal maintenance. Okay? Is there anything further?
No.
You have any other questions, sir?
No, ma'am.
Okay. If there's nothing further, you all are dismissed.
Thank you.
And with that, the gavel falls. $6,800 a month in child and spousal support, but only until she finds her footing. The husband keeps his business. The wife keeps her lifestyle, at least for now. This case had it all. Love, betrayal, money, and pride. If this courtroom showdown stunned you too, drop your take in the comments, hit like, and subscribe for more real drama from behind the bench.